Hey, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, morning. And what meal do we associate with the morning? Breakfast. So, dieting, breakfast is kind of a challenge. On the keto, you really can't have fruit. You can have berries, but that'll only take you so far. What I have is a couple of hard-boiled eggs, some grape tomatoes, and an avocado. I would say altogether it's just under 300 calories. This is going to be a real quick video. Okay, so I'm going to put a link to the perfect hard-boiled eggs. See this? I've got about 16 eggs in here. And I made so many because my kids are here and they might want some. So, but I've also made them for the week. I have 2 hard-boiled eggs for breakfast. And you'll notice not one of them is all chopped up. The key to a good hard-boiled egg is boil your water, gently place the egg fresh out of the fridge into the water one at a time. You might get one or two that split open, but that's fine. Don't put any of the baking soda and all that stuff. It just doesn't work. Everything is timing. You get all your eggs in your boiling water. You boil them for 13 minutes. You will not have that green yolk. Right from the stove, drain the water. Run cold water on them, drain that water, run more cold water, drain that water, throw ice on them. Let them sit for about 5-10 minutes. You don't want the eggs to become ice cold. Once they're ice cold, they're going to start to stick. And my theory is, if you ever did Easter eggs, colored Easter eggs, you put them in the fridge and you take them out a couple days later to make your egg salad or whatever, they always stick. My theory is that the cold makes them stick. So you don't want them ice cold. You want them warm enough to where you can handle, and then you start to peel them. You shouldn't have a problem. Okay, that said, I've got here about 17 grape tomatoes. I weighed this. I think it came out to 4 ounces. All right, I've got this really tiny avocado, and I've got cilantro. I love cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you could try parsley, or if you wanna go even greener, I've even done it with baby spinach, raw baby spinach. It's good. So the first thing I do is put those in my dish, coat them with about a tablespoon of olive oil, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and that cilantro. Now this is a lot of cilantro because I love cilantro. You can mix that up. Your couple hard-boiled eggs. Now, if you're using a larger avocado, you would probably only want half. And if you're only going to use half, leave the pit in the other half, and then put it in a container. If you don't leave that pit in, it's gonna turn colors. And this might be dark on the inside. You see this? The stem should be there. If the stem's not there, usually it turns colors on the inside. And let's see what we have. Nope, I lucked out. So gonna take out that avocado pit. I'm just gonna, a little bit of salt. More pepper. And that is my breakfast. And that holds me over pretty good. I would say this is under 300 calories. So, what's great about this, you buy your tomatoes, right? You can prepare them the night before, wash them and everything. I wouldn't put the olive oil on and everything until like in the morning when you're ready to leave. Put them in a container and you, boom, you take them to work, or you eat it, you know, before you leave the house. It's just quick, filling, and very tasty. So that's it. That's my breakfast. Another good breakfast I'll shoot a video on soon is a piece of smoked salmon or lox. I think it's lox. Some cream cheese with fresh dill. You spread it on, and you know, that's your protein and some of your fat, and even a little thing of spinach. Now, we as Americans are just fixated on having a breakfast that consists of pancakes, eggs, home fries. You know, there's other cultures where it's food. There is no distinction between breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's food, you know. So we're gonna have to like kind of rethink the way we do things. I've done it for a long time. That's why I'm so fat, because I'll eat anything. But yeah, so that's it. I'll try to bring some breakfast dishes in here. So anyway, John Campo of Not So Neat Chef. Thanks for stopping by.